Bird's best friend. Russell was a wilderness explorer. He was a friend to all. He liked to help animals. He liked to help people too. Russell wanted to help a man named Carl. Carl did not need help. Carl was going on a trip. He was moving his house to the jungle. He used balloons to make the house float. Russell was on the porch. He floated away too. The house flew through a storm. Russell helped steer the house. The house landed in the jungle. Russell helped pull the house. In the jungle, Russell met a bird. The bird liked chocolate. The bird liked Russell too. She followed Russell everywhere. Russell and the bird became best friends. Soon they met a dog named Doug. Doug was there to catch the bird. Doug followed her. Russell wanted to protect the bird. He asked Carl for help. The bird's family was far away. Russell wanted to get her home. But a man named Muntz wanted the bird. Muntz's mean dogs chased the bird. Russell and Carl helped her escape. Muntz trapped Russell, Carl, and the bird. Muntz took the bird. Russell was very sad. Russell wanted to help the bird. He went after her. Carl and Doug wanted to help too. Russell, Carl, and Doug saved the bird. They took her home. Russell really was a bird's best friend. Up, Bird's best friend.